The return of the desert legend is no longer just a rumor. The KTM 890 Adventure R Rally is ready to rise again as a limited edition motorcycle born directly from the DNA of the world's most brutal rally. Inspired by the ferocity of the Dakar Rally, this bike is more than just an adventure bike. It's a war machine designed to conquer terrain without compromise. At the heart of its performance, KTM has equipped it with factory-grade suspension from WP XPLOR Pro, components typically reserved for professional racers. The XPLOR Pro 7546 front fork with shimless cone valve technology delivers extremely precise response, while the XPLOR Pro 6746 rear shock provides full control, even when tearing through rough trails at high speeds. With 10.6 inches of suspension travel, this bike is ready to tackle wild terrain with stability intact, even when fully loaded. These suspension changes aren't just about performance, they're about riding posture too. Ground clearance now soars to 11.9 inches, paired with a 35.8-inch seat height, delivering a true rally-style riding position. This isn't a bike for everyone. It's for those ready to tame the wild. On the wheel end, Excel tubeless rims paired with Mitta's Enduro Trail Plus tires deliver the perfect balance between on-road and off-road performance. This 60/40 setup ensures maximum traction when tackling rough terrain, yet remains comfortable when back on the pavement. The braking system is no joke either. 4-piston radial calipers up front are ready to deliver aggressive, precise stopping power in all conditions. Despite its fierce appearance, the powertrain relies on a proven 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing 105 horsepower and 73.8 lb-ft of torque. However, an exclusive touch comes in the form of an Akrapovič titanium exhaust that not only boosts performance but also delivers a sound ready to pump up the adrenaline with every twist of the throttle. Moving to the features, everything feels premium. Rally mode with 10 levels of traction control, slip regulation, cruise control, and a 2-way Quickshifter Plus come standard, no longer optional extras. Combined with factory racing foot pegs and a one-piece flat rally seat, everything is designed for one purpose: dominance on any terrain. With a starting price of $22,649, this bike isn't for everyone. But for true adventurers, it's an investment in the purest riding experience. The 2027 KTM 890 Adventure R Rally isn't just a motorcycle. It's a ticket to limitless adventure. Are you ready to conquer the world? Thanks for watching.